Are you dealing with hair fall or dry skin caused by hard water? In this video, we provide an honest review of the RiverSoft Shower Filter and explore whether it's the right solution for you. The RiverSoft filter features a 15-stage system. It uses KDF, calcium sulfite, active carbon, and vitamin C to remove chlorine, dilute hard salts, and reduce odors. It also includes mineral stones and an alkaline ball to help balance pH levels. This product is specifically engineered for Indian water conditions, designed to handle the unique challenges of hard water found across the country. It is important to note that this filter does not reduce TDS. Instead, it improves water quality by treating the water without stripping away essential minerals. One of the primary benefits users report is a significant reduction in hair fall, with some noticing visible results within just 1 week of use. The filter also helps prevent skin dryness. By neutralizing chlorine and hard salts, it keeps your skin from feeling itchy and helps it retain natural moisture. Beyond hair and skin benefits, the filter improves overall water softness, making every shower feel gentler and more comfortable. Tired of that harsh chemical smell? The RiverSoft filter effectively eliminates the bleaching powder odor often associated with chlorinated tap water. Installation is designed to be a simple DIY process. The package comes with a universal half-inch inlet and outlet, along with Teflon tape, silicone seals, and a user manual to guide you. While it fits most showers directly, some taps may require a connector. You can contact RiverSoft customer care to help identify and provide the correct adapter for your specific setup. In terms of build, the filter is made from durable ABS plastic and finished with a stylish chrome look. The unit measures 21 centimeters in length and 10.5 centimeters in width, with a total weight of 0.53 kilograms. Each filter cartridge is designed to last for approximately 6 months, though this can vary depending on your local water quality. For peace of mind, the product includes a 1-year warranty on the filter housing, covering any potential manufacturing defects. Customer insights are largely positive, with many users confirming the product's effectiveness in reducing hair fall and improving overall skin and hair texture, especially in areas with hard water. Regarding installation, most customers find it very easy to set up. However, keep in mind that a specific tap adapter might be necessary for your plumbing, and it is not always included in the box. When it comes to value for money, opinions are mixed. Even so, many users consider this filter a worthwhile investment for managing hard water issues. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, the product link is provided in the description box below.